Welcome back to MVP Auto. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest cars and automotive news. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda CR-V. Let's explore what this new model brings to the table and why it's generating so much excitement in the automotive world. The 2025 Honda CR-V is a continuation of Honda's commitment to providing a practical, stylish, and efficient SUV. It's no surprise that the CR-V continues to be one of the best-selling vehicles in its class, and the 2025 version aims to enhance that legacy. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 CR-V features a refreshed design that blends sharp, modern lines with the rugged, robust style Honda is known for. The front end has a more aggressive look with a larger grille and sleeker, angular headlights. The overall proportions are refined, giving it a more athletic stance without sacrificing the CR-V's signature practicality. When it comes to size, Honda has slightly increased the dimensions of the 2025 model, offering more interior space for both passengers and cargo. The cabin now feels even roomier, thanks to the new layout and improved ergonomics. Whether you're driving solo or with family, everyone can expect a comfortable experience. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Honda CR-V comes with two engine options. The base model is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 190 horsepower, which is a significant improvement over its predecessor. If you're looking for more power and better fuel efficiency, there's also a hybrid variant. The CR-V Hybrid combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 204 horsepower. This hybrid powertrain provides a perfect balance of performance and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious drivers. Inside, the CR-V comes equipped with a host of technology and convenience features. The 2025 model boasts a larger touchscreen display, which is now standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. For those who prefer an upgraded tech experience, the top trims feature a premium audio system and wireless charging. The 2025 CR-V also includes a suite of advanced driver assist features, including Honda Sensing, which now comes standard across all trim levels. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. On the road, the 2025